The next few weeks.
I mean, remember, this is the hottest time of year, but the hottest temperature we've ever hit, September. It was September 5th, the year 2000, when we hit 111. So we can get very, very hot in September, too.
That's true.
All right, heat advisory in effect. I'll show you the counties and for just how long. But first, Calaveras Lake on a Wednesday. Here we go with partly cloudy skies. I mean, not a bad looking picture out there. But you want to be inside and looking at the picture out there. That's the operative term. 101 on the thermometer, but it feels like 107. Are we threatening a record? Well, it's 105. So currently 4 degrees away. It was just last year that we set the record for this date. South wind at 7, not helping. We need that about 10, 15, maybe even up to 20 miles per hour. Speaking of records, where are we going in the next few days? We're going to flirt with them, 102s through Friday. So we brought these down a degree. I know you're probably like, bring them down even more, right? Yesterday we were thinking 103s for Thursday, Friday. We're going to go with 102s now. And 105 the record, 106 for Friday. 106 for Saturday, too. And do you notice something? Including today's 105, last year. I mean, this was all last August that we were breaking record after record, day after day. All right, this is the heat advisory. And again, it's through tomorrow, 8 p.m. San Antonio, New Braunfels, Seguin, Floresville, Karnes City, and Kennedy. I mean, all the surrounding areas, but it does not extend too far to the west because this is the core of the heat. I mean, look at this. Heat indices as high as 112 up I-35. Seguin feels like 110, 109 Pleasanton, 107 in the city and in Floresville. Gonzales at 108, and it drops a little out to the west because the air is drier. And we're not going to get help with the winds. And because the winds are light, it's an ozone action day today. Do everything you can to reduce emissions and keep our air quality moderate. Here in the city, it's not bad. Again, moderate. It gets worse in Austin, unhealthy for sensitive groups. Look at Houston, unhealthy for everyone when it's code red there. Now, remember that you want to reduce emissions, spare the air. And we just heard this just in. We've got another ozone action day for tomorrow. So again, try not to cut the grass unless it's early morning or late afternoon or evening, because the high is not going to let up. This is the culprit right here. Now, the good news is there is going to be a slight chance of rain coming in on Friday. We've got a disturbance across North Texas. I'll show you future radar in a moment. But first, underneath the high tomorrow, could feel like 105. Under the high on Friday, 107 to 109, a lot like today. So again, no change, and that's why the weather impact alert days will continue today through Saturday. As long as we have these heat indices, make sure you're limiting your outside time. And you remember in Project Cool, you bring a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station. Now that slight chance, I'm going with 10% because what happens on Friday afternoon, a North Texas disturbance brings in some rain as far south as about Austin, maybe San Marcos. You can see it's at 4 o'clock. About a 10% chance we get a shower to drop into San Antonio. From the river, we've got a 14-day forecast that begins with weather impact alert days Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's the 10% chance. It's only on Friday. Highs will stay right through next week, about 100 degrees, and even into the next 7 of our 14. And that's the weekend of the 17th and 18th of August. No change in sight just yet. Jeremy?
Wow, lots of triple digits. Thank you.